To turn off gestures on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro, simply open up the case so that they connect to your phone, and make sure you load up the Xiaomi Earbuds application and open the Buds 6 Pro. Now, what you want to do is go to gestures, tap on that, and here you'll see a list of all the gestures, both touch gestures and swipe gestures. So you can go to any gesture. Let's say, for instance, the double tap gesture for the right earphone will play and pause. So if you want to turn that off, you can just simply tap on that and then select none. And that means that gesture does nothing. So that's as good as turning it off. And you can do that for all gestures you want to turn off. So you can go and find different gestures. The only ones you can't turn off are the press and hold gestures, because you can see that one can only be changed from noise cancellation to voice assistant. You can also turn off swipe gestures. So by default, swiping on the earbuds will increase or reduce volume. So you can turn off the swipe gesture for the right earbud and also do that for the left earbud. All right. So that's basically how to turn off gestures on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.